Here's Shefali.
Thank you very much, Nick. Hello, a very good evening to you. Well, it was a crisp, frosty morning with pinkish skies if you were up at the crack of dawn, and a decent amount of sunshine for many of you, although we saw the best of that, and it held on for much of the day in the central and eastern parts of the region. All the while, the cloud was thickening from the west, and that's just a prelude to the band of rain that's going to be moving in tonight. But it's not going to be as extensive as we originally thought. That was yesterday, and nor is the warning that's in place, which is now in place for just southern half of the region, so Herefordshire, Worcestershire and also parts of Warwickshire. Now, for those areas that are vulnerable to flooding, it's not good news because you could get between 15 to 25 millimetres of rain, around an inch of rain generally. And in the southern extremities of the region, parts of Gloucestershire, you could see between 40 to 60 millimetres of rain, so around 3 inches of that rain. But we've got this area of low pressure that's driving it in. It's moving in from the northwest and then sweeping southeastwards by the time we get to Friday. So the area of rain that's wrapped around it is going to pivot, first in from the southwest, then to the south, then to the southeast. So let's take a closer look at that. Initially this evening, it's looking dry, but very soon we'll start to see that rain moving in from the southwest, covering the southern half of the region mainly. And you can see from those dark colours and those greens, there's going to be some very heavy downpours in places. We could get some hail. We could even get some winteriness over the hills to the far southwest. Further north, it's a little bit drier, but a lot of cloud across us and the winds are picking up too. But temperatures dropping down to between 2 to 4 Celsius. It is going to be very chilly, particularly so in that biting, nagging northeasterly wind, which is still there tomorrow. In fact, we could see gusts of around 40 miles per hour. And that rain, as I say, pivots. So from the south, it moves to the northeast and covers the southeastern half of the region. Again, the northwest staying largely dry, which is good news for you. But a lot of cloud tomorrow and very cold in that wind. Top temperatures of 7 Celsius. As we head into tomorrow night, then that rain will gradually start to fade as the low pressure eases and moves away to the southeast. Friday, looking much drier.
Thanks, Shefali. And that was the Midlands today. We'll be back 10:30. Have a good evening. Bye for now.